The nice thing about Invention Project is from the time you walk into school, you have a program that's going to help you use your creativity and push you forward.
So it's got like a pulley mechanism to make it move on a motor.
Invention Project brings together science, technology, engineering, the arts, mathematics, as well as ELA.
I absolutely loved teaching with the National Inventors Hall of Fame this summer. It was a breath of fresh air, just, letting the kids explore and learn and be creative. And I just loved the units and the different themes. And I thought it was really organized and it was really easy to follow.
Like what makes green? Blue and yellow. Why do these guys different colors?
Teachers are having fun, students are having fun, but it's not just fun for fun in itself. It's actually meaningful, purposeful, and the results are students are learning, and students are excited to come to school.
It connects to so many areas of learning. It connects all areas of the brain. It really is highly motivating. And any child, Spanish, English, it's the language not the issue, it's the discovery part.
Cuando pongo la canica, baja por aquí. Como ven ahorita se atoró, pero eso me hace aprender más.
What I like the most is like building stuff, and you get to use your mind and be creative.
I would highly recommend the National Inventors Hall of Fame curriculum for any kind of expanded learning program. It can be used very easily in after-school programs, in summer programs, intersession programs. You really have everything that you need, from the actual materials packaged in a great kit for students to the professional development that helps our teachers. They love the easy access to the supplies and the materials, and the resources that are provided to our teachers it's just outstanding. Something I've never seen before in any other curriculum.
Don't get into the quicksand.
You sink in.
Invention education really empowers our students for a love of learning, and they will use it beyond the school day and into the future.